Hello, my friends. So we've been talking about Earth Day. And one of the things that we can do to make our Earth, the planet that we live on, really, really happy with us is by recycling. So what does it mean to recycle? Well, if I had something like this water bottle, for instance, and I've used it, I could throw it in the trash can and it would go to the dump and get put into a big pile with all the other trash. Or I can recycle it. So if you look right here, that is the symbol for recycling. So if you see that symbol, that means, hey, don't throw me away, recycle me. But what does recycle mean? Well, if I put this in my recycling bin and the trash men take it away, they take it to a factory and the people at the factory can turn this water bottle into something else. For example, this is a scarf of mine. It's very, very soft. This scarf was made out of 2 water bottles. Now, how they get from this crunchy plastic water bottle to this, I'm not quite sure, but I'm really glad they did it because I really like this scarf a lot. And this didn't just end up in the trash can. It went to recycling to make this. So, what other things can you recycle instead of just dump in the trash? Well, I have a container right here that I bought some tomatoes in. We ate all the tomatoes, so now I'm going to recycle this container. Now, this also has the recycle symbol on it, but it's a little bit different. See that right there? That means don't throw me away, go ahead and recycle me. I have a salad dressing container. Plastic is great to recycle. That is gonna go in the recycle bin. This is a shampoo bottle, and again, here we see the symbol, and when this is empty, I'm going to recycle it. This is a box of granola bars, and what I noticed about this box was, right down here, it says, I have been made from recycled items. So maybe somebody threw out their toilet paper roll and their paper towel roll, and the people at the recycling factory turned these into something like this. And then again, I'll recycle this and it can be turned into something else, which is really cool. The other thing you can do instead of throwing things in the trash is reuse them. So I'm going to show you 2 examples right now of things that I have reused. Remember this water bottle? My kids and I went on a bike ride and we drank water, and instead of throwing this away, we made this cool kind of wind spinner. So these are water bottles. Can you see that? And we colored them with markers, and then we cut them, and I put them on a stick, and I'm gonna put this stick somewhere outside, and we're gonna watch it in the wind. But it's really pretty, and it was water bottles. And now instead of just going to the dump, it's gonna bring us some joy. So that's reusing. So here's another thing I'm going to reuse. It's almost time for me to start my garden. And I am gonna use this to start my garden. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this, I'm going to cut some slits up the bottom. Can you see me cutting there? And then I'm gonna fold this under. And it basically is gonna make a little cup. See, now it's not hollow all the way through. And I'm gonna take this little cup and I'm going to put some dirt in it. So you have a pot of dirt right here. And I'm gonna put some dirt in it. I'd fill it up a little bit more. Then I'm gonna take my seeds and I'm gonna put my seeds in here. I'm gonna put a little bit more dirt on top, then I'm gonna water it. And I'm gonna put it in the window, maybe even put it outside. Then when I get to see the plant starting to grow, I'm gonna take this whole thing and I'm gonna put it in my garden, cardboard and all. The cardboard will kind of turn into food for my plant. That is a really cool way to reuse something. So that's what I'm going to do. So how are you gonna recycle? And how are you gonna reuse something? In my email, I will tell you how you can make your own wind spinner or how you can use toilet paper rolls and paper towel rolls to do all kinds of cool things. One of them is superhero wristbands. That is a fun one. So you think about how you can recycle and reuse, and I will see you soon. Be happy to our earth. Love you.